Hola, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you my 3 Life Glam subscription boxes. If you'd like to see what I've been getting in my Life Glam subscription boxes, then just keep on watching. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and don't forget to hit that little red button down below so you can be part of my familia de bellezas. I also want to remind you guys to turn on those bell notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. And first of all, this is a new subscription from Life Glam, which is a ShadowMe. ShadowMe is a bi-monthly subscription box for $19.99, and you do receive 6 eyeshadows. So one thing I did want to let you guys know is that if you subscribe starting today until the 22nd, you will be getting the Marble LA palette, which is included in this box. I also wanted to let you guys know that if you subscribe using the link below, you will be receiving a free Life Glam liquid lipstick of your choice. Another thing that I wanted to let you guys know before I head over to the unboxing is that if you subscribe with any of the links and the code Makeupbyalmagloria, which you will find here, if you subscribe to KissMe, you will be receiving a free liquid lipstick with your subscription, and it's a liquid lipstick of your choice. And then if you subscribe for Life Glam, you do receive a free brush when you subscribe using that link or the code in the description box below. And now let's see the unboxing. So we're going to start off with my MorpheMe, and I'm not sure what I actually received. As you guys know, MorpheMe is a monthly subscription box for $19.99. You do receive anywhere between 7 brushes to 3 brushes monthly. The shipping is free in the US, but if you live outside the US, you do pay an additional $4.99 for shipping international orders. Now let's see what brushes I got. Okay, so this month I did receive 4 brushes. The first brush I got is this Morphe M166 brush, which is a oval shadow brush. The next brush is this Morphe M492 brush, which is a dual foundation brush. Next is the M579 brush, which is a pro flat contour brush. And lastly, I received the M536 brush, which is an under eye bullet brush. Basically for this month, what I feel like is that we've been receiving too many of these brushes. I'm not the happiest for this brush just because I've been receiving too many of those brushes. And this brush, I feel like I could use it, but I wouldn't use it as much. Only because I feel like I would use this brush only to like buff my under eye, like my concealer, and to apply powder, to remove powder. But I actually feel like these 2 brushes I'm mostly excited for. I feel like this brush I would use it more right now for summer, only because I could use it for cream contour, to apply cream blush, and maybe to like apply my highlight and for my foundation as well. But I'm actually excited for this brush, and I would also use this one a lot, obviously. But I also feel that I would have definitely exchanged this brush if I wouldn't be doing these videos for you guys, just because I feel like we've been receiving too many of these brushes. So now let me show you my ShadowMe box. This is the one that I just received, and now let's open it. So basically when you subscribe, this is what you get. This is like the package you'll be getting, which includes the palette with 6 eyeshadows plus a Life Glam KissMe liquid lipstick of your choice. The cost of this new subscription will be $19.99 and free shipping in the US. But if you live outside the US, you do have to pay an additional $5.99 shipping. One thing that for this new subscription box, you can't put it on pause or you can't exchange your eyeshadows. That's one thing that is different from the other subscriptions from like the MorpheMe and the KissMe, which we do have that option. But for ShadowMe, you won't have that option, only because it's bi-monthly, which I still think it's a very good deal for $19.99 to receive 6 eyeshadows. Now let me stop talking and let me show you the shadows. One thing I did want to let you guys know is that the subscription is now open from July 28th to the 22nd. You will be receiving this palette, but if you subscribe after, you might be put in a wait list. So now let's see the palette. This one is the Marble LA palette. Okay, it does have a sleeve like you can see, and the palette looks like this from the inside. It looks exactly like the sleeve. Okay, so when I open it, it does have a huge mirror, which I actually like. Also has like I said, 6 eyeshadows, which are really, really pretty. These are the eyeshadows that it has, which are warm tones. I feel like it was like kind of safe for them to come up with a eyeshadow palette with safe eyeshadows, but technically I do like it, just because if you're a beginner and you haven't really tried anything, you would typically gravitate towards this colored story. So now let's give these eyeshadows a test drive. I'm gonna start off with the color Malibu. I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. I feel like these look kind of purple. For the next color, I'm going to go in with the color Venice Beach. Okay, so I am going in with a Morphe M504 brush. I'm just applying it like all over practically my lid, and I'm just going to be buffing this in on my crease. This is technically my transition color. Well, it does kind of have a lot of kickback, but blending pretty good. For my neck shadow, I'm going to be using the color Santana. And basically what I'm going to try to do is to use all the colors in this palette. This one I'm just going to be applying a little bit below the one I just applied. For my next shadow, I'm going to be applying the color Beverly Hills. And I'm applying it with a Morphe E28 brush. Just applying it on my outer V. Now I'm going to be applying the color Hollywood on my lid, and I'm going to try it without wetting it first, and I am applying it with my Morphe M166 brush. Oh, it's pretty pigmented actually. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, well yeah, so I am going to go ahead and wet it just a little bit with my Fix Plus. And I'm removing the powder with my brush that I just received, which is my M536 brush. It did get a little bit of fallout. It wasn't that bad, but basically it was with the metallic shades. So now basically what I'm doing is I'm going back with my color Beverly Hills, and I'm just applying it on my outer V. So now I'm going to be using the color City of Angels. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to be wetting it. My brow bone, I'm going to go back with the color Malibu. So finally, I'm just going to be buffing it in with my Morphe M504 brush. For my lower lash line, I'm just going to be using these 2 colors. So now I'm just going to be finishing off my look, and then I'll be back. So finally, for my KissMe liquid lipstick subscription box, this one is $19.99. You do receive 3 liquid lipsticks every single month. It is free shipping in the US, but if you live outside the US, for international orders, you can subscribe to KissMe for an additional $3.99 shipping anywhere in the world, which I actually like. So what I like about this one is that you can always put it on pause, you can exchange your liquid lipsticks, and you can cancel at any time. Now let's see what liquid lipsticks I got this month. As always, they come in this little bag. This is how the packaging looks for this month's KissMe subscription, which I actually love. Anyways, I forgot to tell you that if you do subscribe to KissMe, you do receive an additional free liquid lipstick when you subscribe using the link in the description box below or the code that I'll be leaving here. For the first liquid lipstick, we have the color Naughty, which is this one right here. So now for the verdict for this liquid lipstick. I like the pigmentation, I just don't like the color. I just don't see myself wearing this type of color. So for the next color, we have the color Slaylan. Okay, so now for this color, I love the color. It's so pretty. It's like a perfect Barbie pink. I just don't see myself wearing this color either. And finally, we're going to swatch the color HD. And so finally, I have to tell you that I actually love this gloss. It's like not sticky at all, which I don't like sticky glosses. This one's like so pretty. It's not sticky, which I love. Another thing is that it feels very comfortable on the lips, and I just love the color. I see myself wearing this color a lot. So finally, for the lipstick that I received in my ShadowMe box, it's the color Kiss a Latte, which is this really pretty color. I do like this color, I just don't like it with this eye look that I have right now going on. So I just don't think it's like a good match. But I do love the color. So finally, for the 3 liquid lipsticks that I received this month, I just don't see myself wearing these 2 liquid lipsticks, but I do love the gloss. The gloss is really, really pretty. I do see myself using it. These, I just don't feel like I would use them, only because of my age and because of my skin color. Other than that, I feel like they're really pretty pigmented, but I just don't see myself using them. If I had the option, like we do, I would definitely exchange these 2 liquid lipsticks because I just don't see myself using them. And that's one of the things that I do love about this subscription box, is that you can exchange the liquid lipsticks that you know you're gonna get, but you don't see yourself using. And as you guys saw, these were the 3 subscription boxes that I received from Life Glam. I'm actually really excited for these subscription boxes. The one that I really got me super excited is this one, only because I really like the eyeshadows that I got in my subscription box. As you guys saw, they were really pigmented, they were very creamy, and I didn't really have any problems. They did have a little bit of kickback, but they blended really nicely. And I just can't wait till I receive my following month's subscription. And like I said, it's not a monthly subscription, it is a bi-monthly subscription. And now that was everything for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll be leaving the link to any of these subscriptions in the description box below. And that was it. And see you guys next time. Bye. Besitos. Mwah.